Hi, good afternoon. How are you? I hope you are all well. I am Docius Manus. I'm 25 years old. I'm Asian. I live at the Chile. Good. I will participate in the championship in the United States from 8 October to 25 October. I have to do shopping before I go because United States cold weather will depend on the season. For this reason, I met boy clothes for winter. Let's go. I need a pair of clothes for $7. I need a t-shirt cost $10. I didn't so expensive jacket because I have not money. The jacket costs $50. I have a pair of shoes cost $25. I need the pants that cost $40. Thank you, teacher. God bless you. I see you next class.